Welcome to Narrative Travelogues, where we explore the world's most captivating destinations. In just 60 seconds, let's uncover the magic and splendor of St. Petersburg, Russia's Imperial City, a place of rich history and culture. Nestled within the opulent Winter Palace, the Hermitage Museum is a treasure chest of art, echoing centuries of creativity and human expression. Behold St. Isaac's Cathedral, a 19th century marvel that stands as a testament to architectural grandeur and religious devotion. Step into history at the Peter and Paul Fortress, the very birthplace of St. Petersburg, where past and present converge in a fascinating blend. Wander through the Summer Garden, a verdant oasis designed by Peter the Great, offering serene beauty and tranquility amidst urban bustle. As night falls, the city lights up and the skies dance with the aurora borealis, revealing St. Petersburg's timeless allure and enchanting nightscape. Join us for more tales and adventures on Narrative Travelogues, where every journey tells a story.